To enable carpet cleaning mode on Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, let's enter the settings on our robot. So open the app, click on enter, and then go to those three dots. After that, we can go for floor cleaning settings, and firstly, let's edit the surface. That way you should see your map if you've mapped already using your robot, and then you can pick a carpet. Click on this plus button to add carpet on the map, then visually you'll be able to see it on the map. Then place this square exactly where you have a carpet. When the carpet is selected, you can save it. That way your robot will know where the carpet is. I already have it right here actually. And now we can go back and select carpet cleaning settings, and then you have three options. First one is to avoid it, which will entirely disable carpet cleaning. Your robot will just drive around the carpets and won't enter them. Then there's ignore. It's suitable for environments when there's no carpet or where mats can be mopped. That way your robot will simply drive into the carpet and mop it. So if you have a lot of carpets or you don't want to wet the carpet using a mop, then I would not recommend to enable this option. And lastly, to enable carpet cleaning, let's go for dynamic lift. What it does, it basically makes your robot enter a carpet and lift the mop, not to wet the carpet itself using it. And there's three options for it. First one is carpet boost, which will make your robot automatically detect the carpets and turn suction power to maximum, that way clean the carpets perfectly. Deep carpet cleaning will make your robot clean those carpets separately, and it will just make them clean it in each room that you've mapped the carpet. After that, we have vacuum carpet first, which will make your robot enter carpets first before actually even wetting the mop. So you can enable all of those three options if you want your robot to clean carpets perfectly. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.